Guys, a long awaited package that I've been waiting on is sitting right in front of me right now. It's come from Kevin from the Alberta, and we're gonna get into it. This box has seen better days. I mean, absolutely seen better days. I hope there wasn't nothing small in it, because I mean, she is absolutely destroyed. Like, my hand went right through her. Alright. See what we got. Got some foam. It says, JK, hope you enjoy this. Flywheel crank seal included. Coil from a 51, 55, 257, etc. will fit. And sorry I write like a second grader. See you at Palooza 2024. So that looks like the recoil. Let's see what's on down deep in this box. Got a seal. I thought there was a seal in here. There is a seal in here. Well, that barn, buddy. You believe in taping. Man, it might be easier just to take a knife and knife it. Did you mean to send me 2 seals? But anyway, there's the letter. I like those. I really like those. Alright, let's get into the cool, fun part here. If I can even get into it. You package stuff up about the way I do. I wrap everything in a trash bag. That way, it's less apt to leak. So that's her right there. XL76. I didn't realize they had a chain adjuster on the clutch cover. So, according to Kevin, all I've got to do is pull the flywheel off and put one of these seals in, and then a Husqvarna 55 ignition coil in right there. But we're gonna get her done. Small Power Limited. Old filter looks like it's seen better days. But all in all, she looks to be pretty good. Got an old Tilly, old dirty Tilly on there. Thank you so much, Kevin. I'm really hoping that this thing right here ends up at Palooza 2024. Kind of odd to me that the flywheel has two paws on it, and that's got three holes. I don't know what difference that makes, if it even makes a difference. I don't know, but I'm sure we will get her figured out. Now, I'm pretty positive we're gonna get her figured out. Yeah, I see where it's got so far in between there that she got decent, that darn good compression. But we'll get this coil changed, and we'll get that seal put in it, and we'll go to cranking on it. Kevin, buddy, appreciate you.